The Ford Ranger is a capable small truck that is built to last. A sporty 2-door regular cab or a 2- or 4-door super cab with a longer wheelbase are available. The Ford Ranger is easy to work on, straightforward, and has plenty of room for customization. There are many affordable and readily available parts. The Ranger can outlive many contemporary vehicles if maintained properly. However, what are the 2011 Ford Ranger's alleged issues? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Transmission problems. Automatic transmission issues, such as slipping and abrupt shifting while moving forward or backward, have been reported. If the issue is identified early, some transmission problems are treatable with simple fixes. Regular fluid changes for the transmission are required. To keep it clean, many owners advise changing the transmission fluid and filter at least every 60,000 miles. Airbag problems. The airbags are the common issue for the 2011 Ford Ranger, with 182 complaints filed with the NHTSA so far. This problem is a component of the extensive Takata airbag recall. We will talk about recalls later. Exterior lights. Numerous complaints have been made about exterior lights, including brake lights, going out suddenly. The problem has been identified as a switch connected to the brake pedal. Brake system problems. There have been 9 brake-related complaints, including 2 in which the brakes completely failed and resulted in an accident. The truck occasionally accelerates when braking in both forward and reverse, but dealers cannot find any problems with the vehicle. Recalls. The airbags are involved in 5 of the NHTSA's 6 recalls for the 2011 Ford Ranger. All of these issues are connected to the Takata airbag recall involving faulty inflators that may rupture and release metal fragments into the cabin. The 6th recall deals with malfunctioning lights connected to the multi-function switch on the steering column that could make collisions more likely. The switch will be replaced without charge by Ford dealers. The detailed recall list is now you can see on the screen. Reliability. The 2011 Ford Ranger has a 300,000-mile or 20-year lifespan, according to the majority of Ranger owners on enthusiast websites like Ranger Forums. This report is accurate. According to the Repair Pal website, the Ford Ranger ranks 3rd among 7 midsize trucks in terms of reliability, with a score of 4.0 out of 5.0. It has average ownership cost because the cost of annual repairs is $615 on average. Major repairs are uncommon for the Ranger because the frequency of problems is low and their severity is average. Should you buy it? The final model of its kind, the 2011 Ford Ranger is a tough little pickup that prioritizes dependability and capability over creature comforts or aesthetics. Due to its simplicity, the midsize truck is a fantastic value on the used car market, with many of them lasting for 300,000 miles or more.